loves, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Aniyaha, and if you are new here, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Y'all already know the drill. Return craft besties pink hearts, new craft besties yellow hearts. And y'all, this video is long overdue. As y'all can tell by today's title, I'm gonna be helping y'all get into y'all creative color bags, like y'all color combination bags, because a lot of y'all be asking, how you come up with these cute color combinations, how you come up with cute color combinations. I'm here to help y'all out because, you know, we go together real bad. So I'm here to tell y'all some good color combinations. And I might sound a little sick because my throat hurt, but I love y'all, so we gotta get this content in. But y'all, I had curled my hair, but the curls is falling. But hey, we gotta push through. I've been crocheting lately, obviously. Like, these is my two most recent hats I've made. And combinations always eat because you gotta get the key to all of this, y'all. Let's start it off. Y'all have to go and buy staple colors, basic colors. Y'all gotta have y'all basics. And before y'all say like, oh, I don't want to spend a lot of money, you can go to Dollar Tree and get some staples. You can go to Walmart, you can go to Joann's, you can go to Michael's, and you could get like yarn for at least like $2 to $3. And you can also make sure you catch those sales and use coupons so you can get money off. But if you really don't have the coins, I understand, girl. Go to that Dollar Tree and get that $1.25 yarn. You can start your collection with that. Always ask me, how? Staples. Get your staple colors. You need staples. You need plain colors. I love my ombre yarns and my colorful yarns. But them yarns is not going to help you get the ideas for projects. Like certain projects, colorful yarns are like ombre yarns don't work up, you know, like you might make something that's not giving because the colors is just off. So get y'all staple colors, I'm telling y'all. And also, y'all have to start looking for color inspiration elsewhere. Like, go search up color combinations, yarn color combinations, but you're not really gonna find no like easy, cute, you know, fun ones. You're gonna find boring ones. So you gotta look elsewhere. But I got y'all covered. I have a Pinterest board. I keep telling y'all this. I have a Pinterest board full of color combinations. Like over 100 color combinations. Because I be needing help too sometimes. I have a Pinterest board full of colors. Like, just full of colors. And it helps so much. Because I used to be trash at coming up with color combinations. Like, I used to stress myself out. Like, the hats used to not be giving because the colors was just off. So trust me, I know how it feels, y'all. You could take inspo from shoes, you could take inspo from clothes, you could take inspo from like different artists. Like, you gotta look outside the box and also like find inspo in different places, because I feel like crochet is art. Like, it's a form of art. So a lot of artists, they do like color palettes and stuff. That's basically what I have on my Pinterest board, color palettes. So different artists have color palettes and stuff. Take inspo from that. Take inspo from places around you or stuff. You know, like, you gotta get that color inspo together. And then you find yarns that's relating to those colors, or like, you know, that remind you of those colors. Put them together and make your project. And also, I find it easier when you're trying to get into like finding like cute color palettes and stuff. Granny squares. Granny squares is definitely the way to go, because you're really gonna be able to see like what colors look good together and what colors don't look good together. Because with these colors side by side, they might not look together, but if you put them in granny square form, they look perfect. So you also just gotta make sure the projects that you're choosing, like the colors you're choosing for certain projects, go together with that project. Make sure it matches the vibe, you know? And also, I'm topic hopping, I already know, but like, y'all know me. I'll do dark colors, do dark colors. You can do bright colors, do bright colors. I'm not gonna say don't let them clash, but like, you know, make sure it balances out so that you will like the project. And also, y'all, don't feel like a certain color matches a certain season of the year. Like, do not prevent yourself from using different colors because you feel like, oh, since it's spring, I can't use this dark red or this burgundy. Like, use that burgundy, use that dark red, use whatever you want to use. Let it be fun. Let it be, you know, let your creative juices flow. Use whatever colors you want to use. That's what makes it fun. I feel like once you start overthinking it and making it this big like task to come up with color combinations, that's when the color combinations just don't eat. I'm gonna be the one to tell you. I love y'all. I came up with a few color combinations that y'all could possibly use if y'all want to. I really don't care, honestly. So I am about to go ahead and show y'all how to like use the pictures, like the color pictures on Pinterest to match your yarns and the vibes. So I'm just gonna randomly pick. Well, I'm not gonna randomly pick because I gotta make sure I actually have the colors. With 3 color combinations, I came up with 1 from Pinterest and I came up with the other 2 just messing around with the colors. And that's what you really have to do. Like, just take your colors, lay them out, and put each color together, put different ones, come up with something fun, tacky, cool. You might, if you like the tacky stuff, that's cute too. I like tacky sometimes too. So from the colors I just said that from Pinterest I had picked, this was the colors I picked. Now sometimes, because I know y'all really couldn't see, I'm trying to move the light. I know you might not have like certain shades of colors, but that's also where like improvising come into play. This is the color combination. Just the olive green, a lime green, this, and like this is not the order I would do it in, of course, but like that is just so cute. And of course you will put them in whatever order you want to put them in. And the next color combination I came up with was these colors. Like, that is so cute. And this is a Dollar Tree yarn, y'all. I just got this yesterday. So they have some cute colors that you can, you know, work with if you're balling on a budget. And it's nothing wrong with balling on a budget. Some of us really don't be wanting to spend all that money on yarn. So I don't see nothing wrong with it. Go to your Dollar Tree, get you some yarn, girl. Get that crochet journey going. But that's a cute color combination. And y'all gonna see me make something with these color combinations. I'm gonna snap a little picture because I gotta use these combos because these are low-key cute, and I just came up with some of them off the dome. And then for the last one, I don't know, these really don't go together, but like at the same time they do to me. Like, it's just cute. I don't know, the difference between like the light and the dark colors, it just bring it, and then the white adds that balance. I would make the white the main color, like the border, so the other colors can pop. Y'all can't tell me that ain't cute. This gives summer vibes. Like, it's cute. It's cute. And I had said, like, don't let the seasons make you not feel like you can't use dark colors, like, because summer finna come up and it's like, oh, use bright colors. You can still use dark colors, but implement them with those like bright colors and it still pop, like that, for example. So it's all about just, you know, having fun with it and being creative and just flowing. And you really gonna be that girl when it comes to matching colors up. Everybody gonna be asking you, oh, how you come up with them color combinations? Oop, Pinterest. Oop, I figured it out on my own. Like, I could have came up with 10 more color combinations, but I gotta put all this back, and my yarn stash already look horrendous. So yeah. And I hope I helped y'all just a tad, if not a lot more. But I love y'all. This is the end of the video. I love y'all. Y'all know we go together real bad. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see y'all when I see y'all. Love you.